Hey everybody, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, located in Colfax, North Carolina. I have a 2003 Exiss stock combo, and basically that means it has stock side on the rear of the horses, drop windows on the head side. So I'm just going to spin around, give you a quick video of this 2003 Exiss stock combo. It does have an escape door, drops on the head. Does have a little denting here on the running board. This trailer does have a single back door, stock side back door. It does have an added ramp. Only really wear and tear on this trailer would be to the back, the rubber to the back of the horses. Again, stock side. There are fans. Not 100% sure of the functionality of those fans. All the lights do work in this trailer, and that's something I can most certainly check on. Actually didn't realize I had fans till I got in it. So anyway, basic 3-horse. Now the back box actually has quite an amount of room. If you had 4 horses, I think that you could most definitely potentially put 4 in this trailer, but it is a 3-horse. So again, 2003 Exiss stock combo. Does have a dressing room with 4 saddle racks, vent, camper door with screen, brush box, bridle hooks. Overall, the trailer there's a fan in here as well. Trailer is in excellent condition. So I'm just gonna scan back. 2003 Exiss stock combo. Carolina Trailer Sales, Colfax, North Carolina. Thanks a lot, guys.